Listening 97. Listen, point and repeat. 1,
Drink water.
2,
Eat vegetables.
3,
Eat fruit.
4,
Play outside.
5,
Do exercise.
6,
Go to bed early.
7,
Go to the dentist.
8.
Wash your hands.
Listening 98. Listen and say.
I like peas, but I love carrots. Carrots are my favourite. I have carrots for dinner every night. I go to the playground with my friends. We play on the swings. Or we play frisbee. I visit Dr. Green. He's got a big chair. He looks at my teeth. He tells me to brush my teeth. I have a banana at breakfast time. I have an apple in my lunchbox. I like grapes too. In the evening, I'm tired. I don't watch TV. I go to sleep at 8 o'clock. I play basketball. And I go to football club. I love swimming too. I've got a water bottle in my school bag. I drink a lot of water when it's hot. You need to do this when your hands are dirty and before you eat.
Listening 99. Listen and repeat.
I forget to drink water at school. Me too. But I remember to wash my hands. Well done. That's healthy.
Listening 100. Listen and follow.
I'm tired.
How often do you go to bed early?
I go to bed early every night.
But, Omar, how often do you go to sleep early?
Well, I read in bed every night, so...
Oh, Omar!
Listening 101. Look, listen and learn.
How often do you eat vegetables?
I eat vegetables every day.
How often do you brush your hair?
I brush my hair once a day.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
How often do you wash your hands?
I wash my hands 5 times a day.
Listening 102. Listen and match.
All right. Today we're talking about staying healthy. Here's how. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. How often do you eat fruit and vegetables? Fruit and vegetables are good for you. Eat them every day. Listen, try to eat fruit and vegetables 5 times a day. 5 times a day. Can you do it? What's next? Water. Are you thirsty? Water is good for you. Drink water. Try to drink water 4 times a day. 4 times a day. In hot weather, drink more water. Okay, let's talk about dirty hands and clean hands. Clean hands are good. Wash your hands anytime they're dirty. But always wash your hands before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 times a day. All right. Who wants to go to the dentist? I don't. So brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth in the morning. Brush your teeth at night. Twice a day. And finally, do exercise every day. Play outside or do exercise once a day or more. Exercise is good for you. Play for 1 hour every day. All right, let's be healthy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Listening 103. Look, listen and learn.
How often does he go to the dentist?
He goes to the dentist every year.
How often does she do exercise?
She plays football 3 times a week.
Listening 104. Listen, point and repeat. 1,
Go swimming.
2,
Go fishing.
3,
Play video games.
4,
Play volleyball.
5,
Do karate.
6,
Do art.
Listening 105. Listen and say.
I can do this at home. I like it because I can play with my family and friends. We can drive a car or fly a plane.
I go to the river. I go with my grandpa. I like it because it's quiet. I do exercise. I go to the swimming pool. I like it because I can play in the water.
I go to the sports centre. I go to a class every Saturday. I'm learning a sport from Japan. Hi-ya!
I do it at home. I've got colourful paints and pencils. I like drawing and painting. I'm in a club. We play every Tuesday. I like it because we're a good team.
Listening 106. Listen and number. 1,
What do you do to relax? I do karate twice a week. I do karate after school, and then I play video games.
2,
What do you do to relax? Well, at home, I do art. I like drawing. And I do exercise. I'm in a volleyball team. So I play volleyball 3 times a week.
3,
What do you do to relax?
We go to the river at weekends.
We go fishing. It's fun.
And I go ice skating too. I've got my skates.
4,
What do you do to relax?
Well, I love video games. I play video games every day. And on Sundays, I go fishing. It's good to play outside.
5,
What do you do to relax? We play volleyball.
Volleyball is our favourite game. We play it everywhere.
We play it at the swimming pool. We go swimming and we play volleyball.
Listening 107. Look, listen and learn.
I always play video games after school.
He often goes fishing in the holidays. She sometimes goes swimming at the weekend. They never do karate in the morning.
Listening 108. Listen and follow. Then sing. Fun times.
Fun times, have fun and relax with your friends. Slow down, let's relax. Let's have fun with our friends.
Listening 109. Karaoke time. Sing. Fun times. Listening 110. Listen and read. Busy Ben. Ben is always busy.
I do my homework every day.
Dinner time. Wash your hands.
He's got lots of hobbies.
I play football 3 times a week. And I do karate twice a week. Oh, yeah!
He's always in a hurry.
I go swimming every Monday, and I always go fishing at the weekend.
Ben, hurry up. We're late.
Ben is too busy. There's never time to relax.
Ben, time for bed.
Oh no! I need more time.
The next day, Ben's got an idea.
Aha! I can do my homework while I'm eating breakfast.
Ben, it's time for school.
Can I do karate while I'm playing football? Ha! Yeah!
Ben, what are you doing?
Can I go swimming and fishing?
Dad's got a better idea.
Relax. You can't do two things at the same time.
Okay, Dad. Thanks.
Listening 111. Listen, point and repeat. 1,
Slow.
2,
Quick.
3,
High.
4,
Careful.
Listening 112. Listen and say the number.
I'm Anna. I'm from Brazil. I do a sport called capoeira. It's a sport from my country. Capoeira is exciting. We can be quick. We are fast. Capoeira is fun. Capoeira can be slow. You watch and wait. Capoeira players are strong. We jump in the air and do high kicks. It looks dangerous, but it isn't. We're always careful. We don't kick our friends.
Listening 113. Listen and write true or false.
Capoeira is a great sport. I want to tell you a bit more about it. Capoeira is very popular in Brazil. You can see people doing capoeira on the beach. You can often see it in the street. You can stop and watch. It's fun. Capoeira is a sport, but there is music too. For a big game, there is music and sometimes a singer too. The music is very important for capoeira. The players listen and they follow the music. The music is sometimes slow. When the music is slow, the players are slow too. But when the music is quick, the players are quick. Capoeira is exciting. We do big jumps and high kicks. Some people do capoeira just for fun. But good capoeira players are strong. They practice every day.
Listening 114. Listen and follow.
Which activities are popular at your school?
Volleyball is popular, and I do karate.
Yes, karate is popular at my school too.
Listening 115. Listen and read.
What do you do to stay healthy? Hello from China. I do lots of things to stay healthy. I eat fruit and vegetables every day, and I go to bed early. I like playing outside too. But I want to tell you about a sport from my country. It's called Tai Chi. I do Tai Chi every Thursday after school. I sometimes do it at the weekend too. Tai Chi is very popular in China. People often do Tai Chi early in the morning or sometimes in the evening. People do Tai Chi in groups. You can see older people doing Tai Chi in many cities. They do it outside in the park. The moves aren't quick. They are slow and careful. Young people can do Tai Chi too. It's good for you. It can help you relax. Would you like to try it?